She's using food.
Oh, yeah. No, no. Maya.
Yeah. Yeah. So before I even start, I need to connect with this dog to let him know I'm holding the leash now. Right?
Oh my gosh.
I am the dog whisperer. I'm assessing how the human began and how the human moved the body. You saw it? Mm-hmm. Okay, I'll rewind it. Come here. Yeah? Yes. No? You saw it? Yeah. So his brain cannot just make a decision. That's what she's saying. Right? She's saying, I have a dog that is obsessed. That dog makes a decision. You can't afford it. You know why? Because if somebody bounced the ball across the street, that dog can cross the street. Yeah. So safety is not longer available to you. Right? So if you go, oh, he wants the ball. So that's your typical emotional intelligence talking. You see it? Yes. Yeah. So yeah. That's classical in the dog world. Right? Oh, please let him have the ball. No, let him have rules, bounds, limitations. He has to walk away. You understand? They have to walk away. So to me, way before the dog becomes a service dog, he needs to understand the basics. Let's say this is the door. You want your dog, as you open the door, to give you social distance. Food. This is food. Let's see. That's right. The goal is so here, she's using redirection, right? She's using food.
Oh, yeah. No, Maya.
Yeah. Yeah. The laugh is out of nervousness or what?
Well, I can't like no, that's not food.
Good. Look, this is not a service dog. This is a dog that I use to show you how it's supposed to feel when a dog is surrendered to the leash. Right there. Right? The leash tells you if the dog is pulling or not. You don't need to see the dog, you don't need to see the floor. No. The fact that the dog is attached on the leash, you should only use 2 fingers. But as you know, you see people doing this thing. That's right, and some people do this thing. Yeah. Yes? And some people do double hand. And they say, where are you going? I'm walking the dog. No, you're not. That's right. And you are tense. Yes? So this to me is, before the dog becomes a therapy dog, they should know to walk gentle on a leash. With food or without food. Right? With food or without food. The food is optional. It's not a must. Your energy and them understanding that you want to be followed, that should be plenty. That should be plenty. Right now. Yes? You have to, how do I feel? How does the dog feel? This dog is excited. Yeah? It's excited. So before I even start, I need to connect with this dog to let him know I'm holding the leash now. Right?
Oh my gosh.
I am the dog whisperer. I am the food. Right? The connection. Ooh. So which dog is easy to walk? The excited one or the calm one? She was tense. And the little sound you made you excited, tense. So that's how a dog will perceive you. Get it? Excited, tense. Who you are in the animal world is energy. You're not a name, you are not a race, and gender is irrelevant. You still have to practice calm confidence. Woman or a man. Yes? Which is really good for kids to grow up with a mom being calm confident, love joy, and a dad being calm confident, love joy. It's healthy. Right? It's healthy. And so our dogs can help us. I'm claiming that. Even though I'm making that closer, he or she knows that it's mine. Just by the way I move into it. Silent calmness, definite. So the conversation is spiritual instinctual. I have not given affection yet, but my affection is direction protection. Make sense? Now, it's her turn. Calm, confident. Yes. Yes? Make sense?
Yeah.
You saw it?
Yes.
Yeah. See, dogs live in the moment. Dogs live in the moment, and if you grab that energy from your spirit, you will lean into it. Your leadership, let it come from your instinct, not from your heart, not from your mind, from your instinct. Lead the pack. Lead the pack. I lead this pack, my people. Calm, confident, love, joy. My kids, calm, confident, love, joy. My life, calm, confident, love, joy. Of course, I can follow, no doubt about it. I will be the greatest follower you ever met. I will go into calm surrender. Be calm, confident, love, joy to practice that position. I just want to be part of the pack. I don't always have to lead the pack. Because being the pack leader, most of the time, you know, the challenge is worse. We get the worst part of it. Yes, somebody want to ask a question? So here, so you have a habit. Yes.
So that's probably because I'm used to having to pull her.
Yeah.
You know, like constantly be pulling.
Right. Here we go. So learn this thing habit. Before you begin with a dog, how do I feel? Short, not tense. Then you invite. Cool. But her invitation is this way. That's how she invites. Okay? So she's saying, let's pull each other. That's practically the conversation. Right? That's it. So the dog has to pull down. Right? And then, let's be tense with each other. So then, the only way the dog can listen to you is if you offer something exciting, such as food. But at the moment food gone, they won't listen to you because you're still tense. Right? We're the only species that follow unstable leaders. The only species that follow unstable leaders. So if you are not calm, confident, love, and joy, they will see you as an unstable human being, energetically speaking. Yes? Tense, unsure. Even if you love joy, you are tense, unsure. You're loving your tense, unsure self. Straighten up. The jaw. There. Don't hold it tension.
Damn, Jay, I am always tense.
I know, but well, we can get rid of it. There, much better. Yes?
Yeah. Focusing on my arm, straight.
All the breath. You can also focus on the breath. Yeah. Little very different?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so this is more your natural, simple, profound way of doing it. So if you have money, you can buy food, but if you don't, you can still do it. Right? Not everybody can afford to buy treats so you can influence the dog. So we have to make sure that we have a system that works for all humans. Low-income humans, or zero-income humans. Can that human still have a relationship with a dog? Yes, they can.
The tennis ball is like her.
It's like right now.
Yeah. Right. So here. Stop. Why are you in shock?
Because 100% of the time, she will lunge for a tennis ball.
How fast it happens. You see it? They're not thinking. They're reacting. Yes. So somebody just have to provide it. I'm 100% calm. That's why I can rehabilitate dogs.
Yeah.
We don't have problems with dogs. We don't. We have problems with educating us. Right? It's education. It's a simple education that I was honored to bring into the world.
Thank you.
Well,
I appreciate that.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and join me on my mission of better humans, better planet.